social activists should always have in mind the people that they're serving. So what's the cause that they're working towards, and how are the tools and the processes they're using enabling that cause or furthering that cause? And so in that sense, social solutions should always be very aware of like what's happening locally in a local context, so that they have like the maximum impact with real people embedded in a real place, and then also to be shared globally so that others can see and understand what's happening and apply that also to their local context.
The community is essential to share your knowledge and to be able to go beyond your personal perspective. You can create a learning community that helps you scale solutions, that help you find new ways to do things better and faster.
The way that we drink tea here kind of defines the way that we use our all this technology or all these online services. So we must understand the local culture, local context. This is for sure.
This is not a conference, it's like unconference, so we don't have any more guys on the stage in suits telling others what to do. It's more like, you know, people all together sharing and talking to each other and thinking together what to do rather than listening and being told.
We didn't create all these workshops from space. We just brought people in the community, and there we are feeding each other. So for me it is really important, this spirit that we are enough, we are just enough what we have in hand, and this is for me just the reflection of it, that we are all together and we are learning from each other, we are giving inspiration.
I think it's an essence of everything what we're doing, so really bringing people together from many different environments and mixing them and connecting them and sharing experience and peer-to-peer learning. And I think that you shouldn't underestimate the power of meeting and, you know, being close to each other and being able, you know, to smile face to face and to kind of touch the environment.
I think it's actually crucial to promote such projects as things among young people. Why? Because they are the ones with the skills, they are the ones with the knowledge, and they are very active users of technology. Not always they know that they can use it not only for fun or for learning something, but we should tell them that they can use it also for social good.